Ladies and gentlemen, shortly we will be landing at Igusti Ngurah Rai International Airport in Denpasar, Bali. The local time now is 17 minutes past 2 p.m. The local time in Denpasar, Bali is 1 hour ahead. Pardon me, 1 hour ahead Jakarta. Please fasten your seat belt, adjust your seat back into the upright position, lock your travel securely, open your window shade and switch off your electronic devices. Thank you.